Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tom yam. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need fresh lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, and bird's eye chilies for that authentic kick. Also, prepare your protein like shrimp, along with mushrooms, fish sauce, and fresh lime juice. Having a good quality tom yam paste on hand will make the process much smoother, ensuring a truly delicious and aromatic soup. Next, let's create the flavorful base for our tom yam. Start by bringing 4 cups of water to a rolling boil in a medium-sized pot. Once boiling, add your prepared aromatics, the sliced lemongrass, galangal, and torn kaffir lime leaves. Allow these to simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. This step is crucial for infusing the water with their wonderful, fragrant essence. Now it is time to add the main components and build the soup's rich flavor. Gently introduce your fresh shrimp and sliced mushrooms into the simmering aromatic broth. Stir in 2 generous tablespoons of tom yam paste and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, mixing well to combine. Continue to cook for approximately 3 minutes, or until the shrimp turn a vibrant pink and are perfectly cooked through. For the grand finale, let's perfect the taste and prepare for serving. Remove the pot from the heat and stir in 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. This brightens the flavors beautifully. Garnish your tom yam with fresh cilantro and a few extra bird's eye chilies if you enjoy more heat. Serve your steaming hot, delicious tom yam immediately, perhaps alongside some fluffy jasmine rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.